Put 115 grams of sour cream in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 150 grams of powdered sugar. Add 2 large eggs. Mix well with beater. Pour the chocolate butter mixture in it. It is 113 grams of butter and 60 grams of chocolate. Mix well with beater. Add 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 42 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Pour in 12 large cupcake liners and bake for 10 to 15 minutes on 180 degrees. Your most moist cupcakes are ready. Subscribe us for more videos like this.